Yo, what's up? I am here. I need to grab myself something real quick though. I'm not gonna. I mean, I've already made coffee, so I could just grab another cup of coffee if I really need to, which I just might. I'll be streaming for a couple of hours tonight. I probably will stop at like 3 a.m. I think that's reasonable, so I get enough time to sleep, so I can wake up at 9 a.m. So I have to do another race. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just upload all the races tomorrow that I've been doing. I did a race of like SA2, yeah, SA2, Sonic Adventure 1, Sonic Adventure 2, I think one other game as well. I don't remember really. I need to look through my VODs and everything for that. But I'll be right back, very soon. I just need to grab something real quick because I need to make sure I'm awake. But yeah, everything is gonna be good tonight. We're going to be playing some more Phantasy Star Online. Honestly, probably help my stuff over. Playing more Phantasy Star Online, so that's pretty good. Yeah. It's been a little bit. I've been streaming kind of off and on this week. Due to various reasons. I've had an ice pick headache every so often. It's basically like you get like this random ass pain in your head, and it would just go away after that. It would happen like all week. Despite like my toothache issues, which I've been having off and on, but it's besides the point. I'm almost done with this computer build, and I say that because I have just about everything I need for it. So far with this computer, I have the motherboard I need. I have the CPU that's gonna last me a while. It's pretty, it's a Zen 3. It's like the most it's probably the better one to get, honestly. I like the 5500. In like a week or two, I'm gonna have like, I did get like a workstation card. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I might use it for extra displays. So I might do that. Like if I have a third display, I might as well just use the card for that. If it's not going to affect my system that much. If not, I'm not going to worry about it. But the week after that, I should have my new GPU. And that means I'm going to go from 8 gigabytes of VRAM to 16. And that should be enough to last me a while as long as the card works. Which I hope the card works, because it'd be really shitty if it didn't. That is me. That's basically what it is. Then after that, I won't be buying anything else because I need to like save my money for moving expenses. So I'll be playing the games I have. I will be getting Monster Hunter Wilds, but I've already purchased that, so I'm kind of waiting for them to give me that key and stuff. Besides that, I won't be purchasing anything else for a while. That means any new releases, I just won't be buying them. If they cost too much, But I do have quite a bit of games I can still play, so I'm not really worried about it. And I think it'd be pretty good to kind of hold some more money back. That way I can like move in April or May. Because by the time I move in April or May, I'm probably gonna have a little bit more freedom to do more things that I wanted to do. I don't have to live with a roommate. Besides the point. Yeah. It's just how it is. But I'm definitely doing everything I can to make sure like this one PC setup works. Because I remember the first couple months, like I remember like the majority of 2024, I was using a dual PC setup, and that was good for a while until I had to sell the PC. And I can't really do another dual PC setup for a while. Various reasons. At least for now. Later on it might change. I might get myself like I might build a small form factor PC and use that as a streaming PC, which is something I am thinking about. So I mean that could be a possibility, in the future when things get better for me. But as of right now, it's basically like I'm just gonna use what I have. I'm gonna do what I best to take care of everything I can. All that stuff. I think I went from like having 4 PCs to 2 essentially, even though there's like another one I can kind of put together after I get this new GPU, because I'll be selling that PC as well. That way I can kind of save it for my deposit and shit for moving expenses and stuff. But yeah, the week's been kind of rocky a little bit, but I am kind of getting back on track with everything. Next week I will definitely have a schedule set up. That's what I'll definitely have a schedule set up for next week. That's 100% gonna happen. I just need to make sure the schedule's like gonna be there. It's gotta be consistent. Of course, if I run into any like issues, I might, let people know in the Discord, what's going on, because I have been doing that. I've been doing a good job keeping people notified, like what's going on. The 14th is my live 2D VTuber model debut anniversary for when I first debuted this model. So I'll definitely be doing a marathon of some kind. I'm thinking some kind of marathon of games. So I'll probably be doing that. But yeah, mainly throughout the week, I'm going to try to play like a decent amount of Monster Hunter Rise. I was going to try to play World, but like Rise doesn't eat as much VRAM as World does, so I'll kind of just wait on playing World until I get around to it again. Probably after I clear everything out in Wilds. Which hopefully I do get my GPU before Wilds releases, because that would be amazing. I would definitely love that. I would love to have a better GPU to use whenever that happens. I think like if there's enough time tomorrow, I might also try to stream Beautiful Joe. Something I just been wanting to do for a little bit. I was gonna have that in a race, but I kind of had a situation I had to deal with, so I'm not gonna worry about that. But I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and grab myself like coffee. I think coffee and energy drink, one of the two. Which my energy drinks are not really energy drinks; they're like sparkling water with caffeine. And I had like 2 of them, so I don't think I need another one. Just lemonade though, it's pretty good. Also, I do have a 2.0 on the way. And it's not going to be like a traditional 2.0 like everybody else gets. It's going to be... I don't really want to reveal too much about it, but it's going to be a much better version than what I currently have right now. It's nothing against the past person who rigged it. Nothing against them. They did a wonderful job. When my very first one came out. But I'm definitely going to be seeing an improvement. So I still appreciate what they did at the time, or else this wouldn't even happen. But I'm definitely getting a more recent version of this. And it's going to have a lot more going on, in my opinion. Which I'll have to figure things out, of course. But it's going to be really good, and I'm going to consider that my 2.0, because it's going to have, like... It's going to have everything I want in a VTuber model, and then some. And I think that's really good. So I don't have to worry about that for a while. Whenever that gets released, and whenever I do decide to do the VTuber debut stream, or if I decide to make a video or something, I will let people, of course, know. But those are future plans that will happen at an undefined date. So I do not know when it's gonna happen, but it will happen whenever it does. Also, we will be playing more Phantasy Star Online tonight, and I'll definitely be doing my best to try to level up as much as I can. If people want to join into the lobby or the room, they can. It is an open lobby, which I should probably make that in the stream info. I went ahead and updated the stream info, so if it hasn't updated for you, you can refresh. It will be an open lobby. I don't think... I do the same thing in Monster Hunter as well. I keep open lobbies because, like, you're not gonna get griefed. You're not gonna get griefed too much in these type of games, anyways. So it's not gonna worry. I'm not really gonna worry about it. And I think, like, if whenever I get around to it and I really decide to play Atlas, it's kind of also similar to Phantasy Star Online, which is really cool, by the way, because it's like a weird mix. Because it looks more like a Dreamcast game. So I might play Atlas at some point again. I did play that a while back, I just haven't played it recently. But I'm gonna try to at least stick to a couple games for a while. When I do get my new GPU, and if everything seems to run well with Monster Hunter Wilds, I'll definitely be streaming that a lot. And you'll probably see a lot of streams for those. That means it will also be streamed on YouTube as well, for that kind of thing. I am kind of, if the workstation GPU happens to work out and it ends up working out the way I think it will, I might either use it for like extra monitors or just encoding, but I don't know if that would actually be beneficial at all. If it doesn't affect the computer too much and it helps offload some of that pressure from the main GPU, I'm not gonna worry about it too much. But if it's like creating issues, I'll just like stream using the main GPU and then just kind of use the other card for extra displays if I have to, or I might just not even use the card at all and just save it for whenever I get like a server made. Because later on I do want to make a Linux server that can host my files that I can then tell it to download all my YouTube videos to put on there. But that's gonna be a while, honestly. I'm not gonna immediately be doing that kind of thing. I'm gonna wait till after I move to start doing stuff like that. That way I have more of a way of doing it, you know? Because I want to make sure I'm not gonna like lose my video history in case something at YouTube happens or something on Twitch happens, you know? I do think during the month of April, right? I probably will not be streaming that much. I will be streaming a decent amount, but I won't be streaming as much as I normally do on a good week. This week was not a good week, but on a good week I usually stream a lot. What I'll be doing in April is I'll be backing everything up. I'll be downloading more VODs, I'll be downloading everything else and kind of just like moving them. They'll still be on YouTube, but I'll also be adding them to Rumble and maybe archive.org, one of the two, or both. I get not too many people like Rumble, but like it's literally just YouTube again. It's a YouTube mirrors. I think it's like a YouTube mirrors site, but like at the same time it's like it's better than uploading stuff to the Daily Motion. So I would definitely do that. So that's probably what I'm gonna do at that point. Yeah, that's basically what's gonna happen. But I will definitely be backing my stuff up because I don't want anything to happen to it, basically. And I think that'd probably be for the best, honestly. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some coffee, and then I'll be ready to play. If anybody wants to load up into Phantasy Star Online, I'll be here. Also, I had like a tablet as well that I found that I was able to debloat using Linux. It was one of those Walmart tablets. It's not a Stream Deck, but I do have an OBS controller, so that way I can mute and change scenes as well. So if I ever needed to change scenes while not being focused into OBS, I can just click on the button and it will just switch the scene, which honestly is probably the only thing I really need outside of maybe, you know, hopefully Spout 2 comes out. And if Spout 2 ever comes out, that means I can also, instead of being focused onto the VTubing application, I can, you know, just press the buttons whenever. That's the only thing holding it back. Other than that, it just works fine. But I'll be right back.
Training simulator will help prepare you for your inevitable yet incredible special transition to the afterlife. Please sit back, relax, close your eyes. You are drifting into the light.
Yo, what's up? I'm back. Okay. Got my coffee. I'm pretty much ready. Let me go ahead and get this stuff moved over. Why the fuck is this open? I gotta change the screenshot hotkey on fucking Steam. Fuck's this at? Because if I'm having to do that, I'm not gonna. Is it interface? Game. Take a screenshot. Oh, it's F12 plus. I don't know. Alt 1. Why not? Actually, no. I don't think that'd be good. Wait, F10. Not sure if that's. I'm not even gonna worry about it. I don't want to fuck it up. All right, I will move this over here. Moving screen. There we go. And that is the wrong thing. Console capture, computer capture. There we go. There we go. I'm pretty much. Oh, I have to turn the fucking. I do that. I have to go here, and I have that. All right, we're pretty much ready. All right, that's good for me, I guess, you know. What is this? What is this on here? The thing is, like, it's supposed to be globally off, but for some reason it turns it on. This person was running around. Big key. Alright, I'm gonna make the room. Why did I... Here we go. What items do I have? Oh, I have all this shit. Ice other gun, I kind of want to keep that. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day event. Oh, I need to like do that. Mech gun. Oh, those dragon frames. I could be buying telepipes. Basic fire attack, tax one enemy. Or not. Oh, shit. Is there any events I can do? I'm not like bullshit. Okay. Also, like, I'm really glad I ended up actually like recycling a use for this. Probably run through this by myself at least once. Oh my god. I'm just blocking other shit. They're all waiting for me. Okay. So I was like, hold up. Let me get my thoughts together. Okay, so I was like scrolling through Twitter, right? Which is something like, you know, I think Twitter's just eventually gonna die, or I'm just gonna stop using it at some point. But I did notice a few people are now starting to get more interested in using Linux. Now, so this VTuber, very popular one. You know, with the possibility of wanting to use SteamOS. And I was like, that's fine and all. I mean, you can use it. I know somebody who does use SteamOS. You got some people on the internet trying to say that it's not practical. Like, it is practical if you're willing to use it. At the very least, it is practical. The only issues you'll run into is, like, if it happens to be an immutable OS, then you might have things reset on you. What I would at least recommend, if you want an OS that looks like SteamOS, is get Nobara. It's not really recommended that you use Nobara, at least for a new user, but at least if you are using Nobara or Bazite, you know, if you decide to use that, then you'll be able to basically, you know, essentially use SteamOS at that point. Technically though, like for daily use, if you want things to kind of work and you're not really used to using Linux, right? I always recommend Linux Mint, but I would also recommend Pop! OS. They're probably the best ones to use. And I say that because they're probably the easiest ones to use. I run Linux Mint right now. Some people have had success running Pop! OS. But if you like really want to get into the meat of it, you know, you probably should be running Arch, because Arch has more up-to-date things going on. But it's not as stable as Linux Mint or Pop! OS. Like, yeah, you might have like the bleeding edge or cutting edge stuff. If you get the bleeding edge updates, you get the cutting edge updates for Arch. And that's fine. If you want to get an Arch distribution that won't fucking die or, you know, have issues though, I would recommend like CatchyOS. Because CatchyOS is probably the easiest to use Linux distro. Next to like Endeavor. Because Endeavor OS is pretty cool too. I do think it's really cool to have like options when it comes to OS choice. At least if you're given the option to like switch your OS from Windows, right? Because Windows is becoming more more corporate-ish, you know? I mean, it's already been more like that, actually. It's become so unusable, it's not funny. Like, they're having all these updates, right? And they're having it to where they're having it to where it's just become really hard to use. And last time I checked, if you have an OS, right, and you want to use it, you don't want it to be hard to use. That's the last thing you want it to be hard. That's the last thing you want that to happen. Like, you want to be able to use your distribution or be able to use your OS you just want to be able to use it, because like if you're not able to use it, then what's the fucking point, you know? Like, if you're not able to use your distribution or be able to use the OS that you know, and so in most cases, if you're getting Windows 11, you fucking paid for, then there's no point in using it at all. Like, I hope when oh my god. I hope when I hope when okay, so I hope whenever SteamOS comes out, they give us the option to have a mutable version of it, or give us the option to take the immutability off. And it's like two separate installs. Like, you got an HTPC, which is like the Steam Deck OS kind of thing, and then you have the actual desktop version that acts like a desktop. If Steam can do that, and say, hey, if for people who want to switch to Windows from Windows to a Linux distribution, we will give you a more desktop-oriented version of Steam. That means it would start in desktop mode. It would start in opposite mode, basically. Desktop mode, you can change any of the settings you want. If they could do that, that would be really fucking good for most people. Like, everybody's talking about, oh, SteamOS is gonna, like, oh, you know, which it won't happen, obviously, but like SteamOS will like dethrone Windows or whatever. Like, in a way it might, because you're gonna get more use of your hardware out of Linux than you will in Windows at this point. Windows 10 is gonna die in October, so that is limited, right? If you want a secure desktop, you don't want to rely on, for Windows at least, third parties, right? I know it might be counterintuitive to say something like that, but... Because basically, you know, Linux is handled by a bunch of third parties, but Linux is different because they have to run it through like a, they have a system of running things through, but nothing bad's gonna come out of it most of the time. The hell? But if you were switching from Windows to Linux, right? And you're wanting to get the most performance out of your system, you want to use Arch. If you want to switch from Windows to Linux and you want a stable system, you're going to want to use Linux or Pop! OS. Or if you want the in-between, you want to use something like Nobara. The only thing really holding back Linux is the decision paralysis, with the amount of distributions you can choose from. If Valve could somehow eliminate that, you know, because they're already backing Arch, okay? They're already providing funding for Arch as well, or they're at least helping out with it. If they could at least make it so you can use SteamOS like any other distribution, right? But it's more well known, and you can go into a store and buy it on the laptop. Linux will officially be more viable to use than Windows. It already is in most situations already. I mean, people have been using this for years. The market share has been growing as well, as far as Linux is concerned. There are, of course, some things here or there that people might have issues with. Because they're like, oh, Linux is this daunting thing to learn, right? I'll put this into perspective, okay? I did not really use Linux until, honestly, March to April to May of last year, right? I've only been using this for less than a year. I've been using a distribution that is notorious for being the easiest to use. That means you're able to do everything, and that's good, you know? The other one, you know, I'd recommend is Pop! OS, of course, if you can't really handle that. So it's notorious for being easy to use. I did my research, I did everything I needed to do. I even demoed the OS on my laptop for a couple months to sort of get into it. And I could say, without a shadow of a doubt, 95% of the time, I do not run into problems. The other 5% of the time, that's just a Linuxism, you know? But it's much better to do that, much better to run into maybe 5% of your problems than running into 20% of your issues with Windows. Now, a lot of people just won't run into that problem because they've been using Windows for years. But those people aren't really Linux users at that point. They're more like, they're still going to be stuck on Windows forever. They probably won't ever leave it, despite how bad it is. The only reason as to why you'd still want to use Windows, other than being in the general public and using it as a regular desktop without gaming too much and stuff, is to play, like, you know, if you're streaming or something, like, play anti-cheat titles like Valorant, League of Legends, Fortnite, anything that uses a heavily used anti-cheat that is built into the Windows kernel. Or hit decisions by developers that don't want to support Linux or Proton. Those are the only reasons as to why you typically use Linux. Other than that, the majority of games, and I'm not gonna, like, I'm not going to sugarcoat this either. The majority of games on Linux or on Steam, right? Or on Steam, on GOG, on Epic, right? That don't require the anti-cheat, that don't use heavily used anti-cheats, that are supported by Linux or at least running, will work 100% of the time. The only time that it won't work is if they release a patch that somehow fucks it up, or they stop supporting it like Apex Legends. Those are the only reasons Those are the only things that are holding Linux back. It's literally the anti-cheat. That's all it is. It's the anti-cheat situation. Wayland is going. It has come a long way. Xorg is like pretty much done. Yo, what's up? Thank you, Baffy. Thank you, Baffy, for the follow. Xorg is pretty much done. It's on its way out, but Wayland is making like it's pretty much made pretty good. I'll probably be using Xorg a little longer than most people because I'm using Linux Mint because of Cinnamon. But by the time Wayland comes on Cinnamon and it's stable, and they can prove it's stable, it'll be good as well.
How you doing, PLS?
I'm doing alright.
Arashi
How you doing?
62 Breadmaster 2165 Dime Evil Plus.
Yo, what's up? Hi, Master Downchin. How you doing? But the moment Linux starts to become more and more viable than it already is, because it pretty much is already. You can switch to it if you need to play games, you know? I mean, that's what I'm using right now. I don't need to use Windows. If you absolutely need it, you can just get a virtual machine. I mean, it's not going to work for every game, but it'll work. It's cold here? Damn, yeah, it is kind of cold outside. Yeah, but like, if... And like, the off chance you need to use Windows for anything, you just get a virtual machine. Like if FF14 ever does like another update and they have to like, you have to do a thing for that, probably what I'll do is I'll get a virtual machine and then I will download FF14 on that and then sign into it and then just use it on Linux again. It won't be a problem. Also, if you happen to have more than one GPU in your system, and I found this out the other day, on one of the supported versions of Mac OS, it does not require Vanguard. So if you absolutely wanted to play League of Legends on Linux, you can get a virtual machine, run Mac OS on it, install League of Legends, and then you can play League of Legends. Because the Mac version does not require Vanguard. That's assuming you're even wanting to bother with that bullshit anyways. League of Legends, please. Yeah. Like if I was ever in the position to where I had to play League of Legends, that's probably what I would do. I would get a Mac OS that supports it. I would get a virtual machine. I would use the workstation GPU I have that I'm gonna get pretty much. Use that as the graphics card pass through. And then what I would do is I would just be able to play it. Because you can't do a virtual machine with League of Legends on a Windows-based distribution or Windows-based OS. But on Mac, it's not required. That's also the other thing as well. Some people won't switch to Linux. They'll switch to Mac. And honestly, the Mac support for games are not really that huge either, so good luck with that. But Mac users aren't really like... Boss looks mad hard. It's just a fight. It's a boss fight. Mac users aren't typically gamers though. You can game on Mac, but they don't typically game a lot. That's why there's not that many games supported. That's why I call Mac Baby Linux, because Mac is basically a Unix application. Like it does have its own little command. It uses a command button instead of Windows or Super Key. Because you can do some things on Mac. You can at least do that, but like, Mac's more like a video editing platform nowadays. Like if you're really serious about video editing, you're gonna edit on a Mac. Yo, what's up? Yo, thank you, Ikavallo. Thank you for the follow. The only thing, like, I guess, like, issue you could have or run into with Linux is your program choice. But I use Kden Live for video editing, and it's basically like Sony Vegas, so like I'm not even worried about it. It saw your stream from the lobby select, but can't join. You made the mission. Yeah, I'm in the mission, but you can join when I'm done. I'm fully on board with that. I have no issue letting you join. Let's talk about Linux though. You know, that's what I'm using right now. Oh god. I thought I'd just run through this real quick. Oh god, come on. You have leveled ones, or this one started closer? I mean, I guess if you want things to go quickly, use your leveled ones. If you want things to go slowly, use the ones that aren't leveled. It honestly is the most effective OS to use. Like, you're gonna get the full use of your hardware out of Linux. It will legitimately use the entirety of your hardware. Yeah, it is a fucking plague. I don't use it. I refuse. I tried the Windows 11 out and I had to debloat it. Horrible fucking experience. This was before they made Copilot mandatory. I will never use Windows 11. Like, Windows 10 is a different story, right? Like, if I absolutely need to use a Windows application, I'll get a VM and put Windows 10 on it. Yeah. What I suggest, and I highly suggest this, right? If you want to maximize the most use of your hardware, right? Get 2 drives. One drive entirely for Windows. And then one drive for Linux. And then maybe 2 other drives for the other OSs, you know? Like, you get 2 drives for Linux, 2 drives for Windows, put it in your computer. The reason why I say that is because a lot of people probably won't switch immediately, but they will at least dual boot. Yeah. Yeah, and if you've never used Linux before, I highly suggest you use Pop! OS or Linux Mint. They are the easiest ones to use. You will have the least amount of issues using them. Linux Mint's pretty good though, because you've used a bit of Debian before. Yeah, Linux Mint has a Debian edition as well. I recommend that one too. But I highly suggest you choose one of those because you're not going to be able to fuck. I don't want to get too loud, but you don't want to fuck and have issues when you're using Linux if you've never used it before. If you have issues, like say you've never used Linux before and you go to Arch, you're going to hate your fucking life. You're going to fucking hate it. But if you've never used Linux and you go to an easier distribution like Nobara, Pop! OS, Linux Mint, Vazite, the 2 Arch distributions that are easy to use, like Catchy OS and Endeavor, you will probably have the best experience you've ever had. And you know what? If you have issues using any Linux distribution, you can always switch. Like in 2016, I accidentally used Ubuntu because I accidentally installed it one time. So I tried to use it for a little while. But I also technically my first Linux distribution was using Zorin OS. I don't recommend Zorin. It might look like Windows. It might have similar marketing tactics like Windows. I don't recommend it because it's plagued by a lot of bloat and you will not get as much performance as you'd like out of it. That's why Linux Mint is a better choice in that regard, because yes, it looks like Windows a little bit, but it's also its own thing. That's why, like, You know, that's why I recommend easy to use Linux distributions. Like, people had this impression that Linux was like this hard fucking thing to use, and I thought it was a little daunting at first. When I started to get back, and like when I really started to use it. Oh my god. I thought it was daunting at first, but I started using it and I was like, this isn't that bad. It's not bad at all. And then after I ended up learning how to use Linux, at least up to the point to where I think I'm competent enough to use Linux Mint or Pop! OS or a similarly a similar difficulty kind of OS, you know. I started to want to see if VTubing worked, you know. I was like, oh yeah, this could play games. Can I use VTubing for this? And then I found out it could. And then I also found a bunch of videos online. But the problem was a lot of the information for VTubing on Linux was scattered. It was all over the place. It was not in one spot. Before my guide even came out, there was like, the information was there, but there wasn't really enough to really have anything show for it, you know? Like, it was all over the place. It was, and I talked to Brody about this before. I have to kill this thing. God damn it. I talked to Brody about this before when I was on his podcast. But basically, why am I hearing this plopping noise? Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll definitely restart it. I could just exit the game. Oh yeah, I do. I think like the main takeaway from like switching from Windows to Linux is you also get, what the fuck? Oh, what the hell happened to the frame rate? Holy shit. Type lobby. Okay, I'll probably do that after this. Okay. I didn't know you can type /lobby like that. I guess the main takeaway from switching from Windows to Linux is you get more control over your hardware. And you get more freedom to use whatever the fuck you want, basically. We probably should run through hard mode though, because honestly, for real, yeah. Like I'm on Linux right now. Like look at all this shit, you know. I'm on it right now. Think I care about Windows? Fuck Windows. Look at this shit. Yeah, hell yeah, you know? Fuck Windows. Hate that shit. Linux though, this works. Yo, what's up, Ikavallo? Yo, Newman. Hey, what if I can? Pretty sure it's Alt. Yeah. I forget which what buttons do. So. Okay, I'm gonna make the room. Yeah. Oh damn, that's a lot. That's a lot of levels right there. Enrich your life? I'm hearing a popping noise. Where's that coming from? You know how to set things to your number keys? Use a controller. Yeah. So that's how I am with PS. Like, if I'm playing FF14, I have to use keyboard. But for Phantasy Star Online, I have to use a controller. That's like any of the Phantasy Star Onlines. Why am I hearing a popping noise? Where's this coming from? I'm hearing like this pop. I don't know where this is coming from, honestly. I don't know. No idea where the popping noise is coming from. Maybe I'm just having a moment. Damn, that's a lot of, that's fucking cool. HP material. What is all this? Oh, special weapon, cool. Nice. I did not know that. Monkey King bar. Oh wow. Cool. Cannot equip. I could probably use the blade dance at some point. Huh? Eat some HP mats, the other wants to free up some slots. Yeah, yeah. Alright, cool. Good shit. already dead. Item reader plugin too. Wonder how it even install plugins. I'd probably like look for the folder and put it in the plugins folder or something. Insane quality of life, damn. Go ahead. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Floor reader guide should be first thing that shows. You know how teching works too? I kind of know how it works, but it like takes forever. You have to like continue to purchase and decline his stuff until you get the one you want. Still plus 10 in all attributes. Ah, I see, I see. Best you can get was I see, I see. Cool. God. What's this? Music! Yeah. Some good music right there. I didn't even know this was a hidden room, I don't think. Will my mag ever change again? It will. Cool. Black section ID as well. Cool. Have you been following any guide? No. I have not. Really? I do have extra mags. I did pick up like 5 others. Usually defense is absolutely worthless. Your mag has 10 defense right now. No. Oh. B. Your mag looks like a scorpion. Is it possible to get a mag that looks like, fuck, what was that Sega game? Sega game was like a tiny ship. Yeah. Pioneer T-Mag. Damn. Are force characters really good? Are they better than Humars? Yeah. Okay. In the off chance I might make a force character at some point. This fight made a spaghetti code. You're right. Oh wow. Big robot. Yeah. Photon launcher. That's cool. I can't equip those. They're super expensive though. Ah. I mean, I need TP care. I need TP recovery items anyway, so I'm playing a Hue, a new Mara or something. I'm effectively a battle mage. Hate that horse. Damn. I got clapped. What is this? The red sword. Okay. can't equip these, so I just can't use them. Wait. Is that technically a better weapon than what I have? It is. It is better in every way. Holy shit. Okay, cool. Oh god. Other way. Does it have that special thing? It does not. Okay. Boom. This is hard mode, so there's another phase. If you mash left and right, you break out of freeze quicker? Okay. God. Luck boosted for red shinies? What? Huh? I'm fuck. No! I did not mean to click that. Welcome back. Damn. Telepipe should still be up. It is. Okay. Why am I walking forward? Oh, it's a forward thing. I need to make sure in Discord that I'm in streamer mode. YouTube Premium, Xbox PC Game Pass. Oh my god. There we go. Love Discord Nitro slot. Yeah. That's all it is slop. Like the only thing that's of maybe of a little bit of value is maybe the Game Pass, but like you don't even get it consistently, so what's even the point? Like Discord Nitro is good for some things though. Okay. Okay. Good shit. Oh god. Ah! Yeah. Congratulations, you are the hero. Frame. Saucer. Lord's Gatling. Not a green weapon though. 380, 455. Got any hunter weapons? Okay. Oh shit. Yo, thank you. Can I use any of this stuff? I can't use it yet. The legendary short sword that leaves cross-shaped scars. Should help a ton, too. Mag raising guide. Very, very useful. Ah, I see. Alright, I'm gonna turn the question. Wow, 10k Mesa. Are there any Valentine's events in this game? So, there's a Valentine's thing outside. I got a chair now. Behold, yellow chair. Why are you in the building? Stuck. Stuck in the building. Cloud. Your own team? Interesting. I made the head 5 clan a long time ago though. In the dressing room? Cool. Yeah, sure, why not? I made this a long time ago though. The head 5 clan. I used to run a different character. Bro's going fucking Ultra Instinct. Unobservable quantum part. Yeah. It's like the 5090 graphics card, you can barely see it. This is ascending. Holy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in the Athena. I'm in the Athena server. I just have to grab it real quick. You're gonna see a message in that server pretty soon when I see it. Where the fuck did I put the server at? Oh, there it is. General chat. Stay here. Item reader plugin. How would I even go about installing this? Like, browse files. I'd have to like find wherever Athena is installed. Oh, it's right here. There we go. I can now grab it. Is that the add-on? It's a guide on how to install it. I mean, I'm already halfway there. Oh yeah, it's a guide for Windows. Windows 7, by the way. There are people who still use Windows 7, by the way. That happens. Yeah. I just need to grab the thing. Configuration Lua from Notepad from EB Text Editor. Here's a screenshot of the character reader folder doing that. Enables a dedicated floor items window look. Oh, okay. I definitely want that. It will definitely has. I don't need Visual C. Download the BB mod zip file here at GitHub. Extract the files. Cut paste the. Okay, so we're just gonna here. Grab that. Open this. Extract here. BB mod. Why is there a D input? Go here. Extract the files and cut and paste the atoms folder in D input. Which enables the atoms and functions outside of the atoms. Ooh, okay. That makes sense. I'm probably gonna have to log out though. Let me go ahead and do this real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just install this real quick. Got that, got the add-ons folder. So on the other window, just take everything here and just drag it over here, apply, merge, place. Download Soy Boys PB from the GitHub page here. Wow. I may have already had that, actually. I've already had that, but it's item reader. That's what I want. Now download the raw file, please. I need to have some like the base plugin to have it. This version of this repository, I have it here. Drag here. Monster Reader, Player Reader, Soylib. Definitely needs Soylib. Might as well just like grab them all. I'm pretty certain I can just like do what I gotta do. Now what? Place everything in the right directories. You have 4 little windows inside the game itself, which I did originally, so hopefully I didn't mess that up. You click the button, save the file, save a list of items your character reader is on the file. Configuration.lua, so the character reader. For items, window. What is that? Files to save. Am I on the right one? Oh, that's the configuration now, though. So that's in the item. Ultimate, Fina, Vanilla. Okay, that makes sense. Pretty cool to have. Have that. Dropbox tracker. The hell's the file at? Over here. I think I gotta download the file as a raw file because they don't have like the actual thing. Download zip. Back here. See this. This would go into that file. Where's this? I don't feel like messing with that right now, actually. But the item reader's there. Go ahead and add this, and I'll be good. Close all this stuff out. And I think I'm good. Now let's see if things broke. Hopefully I didn't break anything. Be edited in game in the game UI. Okay. Countdown. Some of the stuff I might want to disable. Stopwatch. How do I close? Timer, that. Item reader mags. Reader floor. So many windows. Oh, I can just close it out. Add-ons. I might want to like take some of these off because I don't really want to keep them on here. Monster Eater, HP, stopwatch. Like, how do I close this out? Guess I can do that. Then, God. So much shit happening right now. This add-ons configuration. I'm gonna delete some of this shit. I don't need some of these add-ons. Files. I definitely don't need timer. I'm not using that. Player reader, monster reader. I mean, I guess I can keep those. Yeah, I don't think I need that. You can close it from there, but I just didn't want to bother with the timer. The timer was like not going away. I have no idea what the fuck I clicked on. Oh, I can actually just... Okay, that's... Okay, it makes sense. And disable that. Don't need that. Dropbox tracker. I guess I'll keep that. Player reader. I don't specifically need this. Okay. You can put it in like the whatever channel is good. A kitty cat. Usually have them all transparent. List of monsters and their stats at the bottom left and right. List of floor items in the middle right. Your mag stats top right. Okay, well I guess I will do that. Lux reader enable. So Lux reader's like right here. Okay, and item reader about right here. I don't think it needs to be that huge though. We'll probably just do this. No move. Item reader. Mag. Mag is enabled. The mag stuff's up here. Title bar, no move. No resize. Isn't that huge? I don't get it. I'll just resize it here. Floor. The title bar. Have them all set to no title bar and transparency on. Oh shit. Okay, cool. No move. Last one's Monster Reader. What's the last thing? I feel like I'm missing a window. Target's the one you have at the bottom. I don't think I have target. Monster Reader? Oh. What the hell's that window at, though? I don't see it. Alright, I guess I'll just do that. What's up? Add-ons configuration, the title bar, parent window, no move, save. The hell? I don't see target for whatever reason. Is that the AIO thing? Oh, it is. Wait a minute. Does it show if you're targeting an enemy? I don't know. Draw aggro over here. You found it? Good top. Oh, okay. There it is. Let me just, I probably won't make that window transparent because I can't read the names. Then again, I might. Just, reduce the clutter, yeah. Okay, let me just remove. Kinda hard to read some of these. I just won't make it transparent. Okay, maybe I'll make that transparent, but like, yeah. Dropbox tracker, ignore Mesa. Yeah. This should save everything, right? Cool. Well, I guess this works for me. Thank you. Also, welcome to the server. There's obviously a lot going on. But more people have been joining lately, which is cool. Infinite knowledge, yeah. Wait, is there a chat log window that I can get? Chat log add-on? I found it. Yep, I found it. I will go ahead and share this with you. Copy. Paste. It's right there. I'm pretty sure it's the master file. Chat log add-on master. Extract here. Yep, there it is, chat log. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the lobby and do that. So I do kind of want to see the chat log as well. It's crazy how this works on Linux though, honestly. Alright, like this. Browse files. There it is. Add-ons. Chat log. Yeah. It can do up to 1,000 messages. Highlighted text when someone mentions my name. Absolutely good. Hopefully the add-on still works though. Like a 2016 add-on. Hopefully it's not going to create conflicts. UI scaling options on the launcher. Oh, there's a chat log. There you go. This other thing. This is other window. Press reload button on the man. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. I guess having the chat log like up here would probably be good, honestly. I don't know what this other thing is though. What is that? What is this? Why can't I move it? Is this the monster reader thing? It is. Why is that up there though? Why is that up there? It was like right here. Okay. It could be worse though. But having a chat log is fucking huge. Honestly, I'd probably want the chat log to be here though. So I'll probably just move this. Let's move this up. Put that there. Hope for the best. Anchor option in Monster Reader. Might have to mess with that. Thing. No move. Anchor. Bottom left. I guess it's gonna be anchored there. Well, top right. Fine-tune the opposites as well. Upright. I mean, the target window's there. It's a transparent window. It's not. The chat log, I might just keep it the way it is. It's a fucking chat log, you know? Usually just use the in-game one. I don't know, sometimes I just don't feel like hitting the button to look. Oh shit! Yo! Sarzak though, thank you. Thank you for the raid. Yo, what's up? Yo, Sword St. Michael, how you doing? What's up everybody? Yo, what's up? Yo, how you doing? Thank you for the raid. Thank you. Yeah. Hell yeah. Thank you. You got in the you got in the I've been in the PSO. It's pretty. It's a thing. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I love Phantasy Star Online. It's really good. Yeah, I've been playing Phantasy Star Online for a while. I have a stream history on YouTube for it. Pretty good. Thank you for the raid. I really do appreciate it. Yo, thank you for the follows. Thank you. Yo, yo, yo. I love playing this stuff. Thank you, Jarvie. Thank you, Sarazak. I really do appreciate it. Let me see if I can find the stream history for this. I'll show you this, how much PSO I've been playing lately. I've been messing with a lot of stuff. Yo, thank you for the follow. Thank you. I've been playing a lot of Phantasy Star Online. Yo, what's up, Pizza Mate? How you doing? What's up? I'm playing a lot. You can't even see this. I have to like change some stuff around. But there we go. Yo, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'll be getting a 2.0 later on as well. But I've been streaming a lot of Phantasy Star Online lately. ESO, Monster Hunter, I played some Phantasy Star Universe. I think that game's okay. Blue Burst, Genesis, I mean, PSO 2. PSO BB is really good. I love it. Genesis, Monster Hunter stuff, some other streams, you know. I've been doing this for a while. My thumbnail game has gotten better though. I will say that. Oh yeah, I need to like I need to add this to a playlist later. Can I do that real quick? Live stream. Edit. There we go. That works for me. Yo. Need to play episode 3, it sounds fun. Episode 3 is a card game. I have so many chat windows now. Yo, thank you for the raid. I do appreciate that. Hope everybody enjoys their stay. If you have to get something to drink, do what you gotta do, you know? Oh, the most played version of PSO2. Yeah, pretty much everything except episode 3. Episode 3 is like a card game. Also, I'm doing all this on Linux. If that means anything. Oh. Might have to dissolve your team somehow to join. I don't know how I even do that. Pluck from the counter. Okay. Oh wow, Linux. Yeah, I'm on Linux. Yeah. I don't even use Windows. I'm doing all this on Linux. All of it. Everything you see here on Linux. I can prove it. Linux Mint. I don't need Windows. Yeah. I also made a guide on VTubing. So I'll just like copy the link and add this to like a different thing real quick. Open up LibreWolf, I guess. I made a guide to VTubing on Linux. Oh my god, I hate this. I'm gonna show you the better version because I hate how that looked. Okay. But yeah, I made this entire guide. And I had help, of course. I'm not gonna say it's completely by me, but I did make the majority of this. It did get forked by Rogue Ren. He helped me with the formatting and stuff. But like this here, right here, all this stuff, I'm doing right now, for the most part. All this is on Linux. It's good stuff. I love it. I don't have to rely on Windows anymore for like anything. So I don't play like a lot of anti-cheat games. I'm not really worried about that. Worst case scenario, dual boot, and then you're good. I'm playing PSO2 through Luitris. There's other programs as well. You might see my desktop at the end of the stream if you stick around. But yeah, actually, I think it has like a dedicated Windows thing, like right here. Yep. Oh my god, all the chat windows kind of fucked themselves though. There we go. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Yo, thank you. Thank you for the follow. Thank you, Lannis. Yeah. Yeah, cool. And I got a little anime head. Yo, thank you. Thank you, No Lag. Yo. Must follow me, set me free. That's what we're running now. More TTF. Yes. Also, it's open lobby, so if you're playing, you're more than welcome to join. But you gotta join quick. We're gonna start. I should play, like, I already played this on a race earlier, but I should probably, like, when I'm done doing all that, the racing stuff with my other friends, I probably should stream the games just by themselves. Because Sonic Adventure DX and Sonic Adventure 2 are pretty good. I love them, they're really good. Probably the best Sonic games ever made. A bomb cat? How do you make a cat? Let me see here. Customize. Wrong thing. Cat. Symbol chat. While menu is open. Maybe. I don't know how to do that, honestly. Probably just... there's an option for it? Hide when menus are open. Okay, cool. I like that. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff. I like that. Let's keep this here. Hide when menus are open. And then Dropbox tracker. Not really worried about that. Item reader. Or I don't know, menus are open. That. I'm not messing with that. That one's like out of the way. Monster reader. Okay, yeah, that works for me. And then this can kind of just, like, kind of float. Nice. Face type. New parts, face parts. Okay, I don't have the patience for this. I'll probably do that off stream if I make one. Cool. One of my menus might be overlapping, but I don't feel like fixing it. Alright. I wonder if this even opened for that. Okay, cool. Alright, we're good. We're good. Cool. But yeah, I've been using Linux for a while. I've been using Linux for like less than a year though. Oh, I think everybody left. Damn, you have a lot of HP. You don't need to heal us, okay. Using HP sacrifice? Ah, okay. Booma's right arm? Booma. Hell yeah. Ooh, Flowin' Sword, that's cool. Can I even use that? I might actually be able to use that. Assuming it's good. Big sword I can use on Dragon. I'd have to like... I would have to like do the thing. I'd have to telepipe. I don't have a telepipe. I didn't telepipe because I'm dumb. But yeah, I like using Linux. I think it's pretty cool. Besides that, I play a lot of games. And the games I've been playing a lot lately, I've been Phantasy Star Online, Monster Hunter, and a few other games in between. Along with like FF14. Like whenever I get the chance, I'm definitely be streaming a lot of FF14 as well. Like, I just like these games. Pretty good. Ikavala found the Musashi. Ooh, give me the Musashi. Musashi. I can't pick it up. Can I get rid of? HP sacrifice special attack. That's really cool, actually. Someone could turn it into a weapon. Oh shit. I guess I'm just gonna drop this. Oh, actually I can use this. I'm probably gonna telepipe. I did not mean to do that. Alright, let's find out what this weapon is. Gives you telepipe spell? Oh, cool. Nice. Well, I can probably end up using this later on too. When I'm not, I wonder why I'm not getting like the pluses and stuff. Okay. Okay. It's like a special weapon. I don't know who can turn that into a weapon yet, but I'm gonna hold on to it. Hello. Antidote. probably get away with just putting the chat log over here. I'd probably just get away with doing that. I mean, honestly, if I'm gonna put the chat log there, I could probably just make it transparent at this point. No move, no title bar, transparent window. Yeah. Okay. It died when I leveled my mag up twice. I'll take it. Alright, cool. Level 2 clear. I mean, I'll take the Mesa. Good stuff, good stuff. Oh yeah, I definitely want to play this. Yeah! Yeah, Crush 40 is so cool. God. Oh, there's a mace somewhere. The monitor you got it at $7 for a thrift store died? I mean, you bought it at a thrift store, right? Working fine for months, then just stop. Damn. An $8 monitor instead. I think like I bought one monitor for $70 back in, well actually yeah, it was $75 back in 2019. One monitor I got for free. The other monitor, then another monitor I got for free. And then also this monitor I think I bought for like $250. The cheapest curved monitor I could find. It's like, and it's just barely curved. Oh shit. I hit my fucking thing. It's like the cheapest curved monitor I could find. Because I wasn't gonna like spend a lot on a monitor, honestly, at the time. And I had like a monitor in my closet that I got for free. Oh, cool. Better weapon. That was one of my friends, Grasshopper, said that. Oh, I don't have that open. Out of all the things I could like fuck up, I didn't have that open. I'll have it open shortly though.
Dori 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 dori.
Dodi, 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 dodi. There we go, it's open. It's on cooldown, this is tragic. I'm pretty certain I can like fix that. It's not even showing the object. I need to fix that real quick. Oh yeah, I definitely am enjoying it. I'm enjoying PSO too. What happened to the throws thing? I don't think I ever like actually implemented it. Window capture. No, I actually didn't. Holy crap. Okay, well I guess this will be it then. Select the window to capture. Okay, and then I don't think it'd be counted as a game window, but I can fix this. I can chroma key it. I have a very interesting way of how I'm gonna do this too. I'm gonna go ahead and do something real quick. Take a screenshot. Watch the magic at work. Image to copy to clipboard. This is how I'm gonna get the chroma key. There we go, I found it. Okay. Red changes. Select color. Leave that open. No, wait a minute. Shit. Okay, I'll have to do that again, I guess. Copy the clipboard. GIMP. Three, two, 3, 2. So it's like 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay. And close. I think that'd be it. Worst case scenario, I just have to like do it manually, but like let me see if it even shows up. Okay, that didn't work. I'll have to fix it though. Mysterious shadow objects, yes. Oh, this worked. Work, I guess. It's gonna be kind of I hope that worked. Close. See how it follows it? It's gonna be kind of weird because it's not perfect, but it does work. I can guarantee you that. Yes. The janky workarounds are by far the best. Now I can do this. And to make sure it works. There you go. It works. The bottom window will go away on its own. I do know that. If I don't click on it. Oh, but it looks horrible. Hold on. I need to clear this up. Filters. There you go. It is cleared up. Now let's try it. Now let's see it. What the fuck? Wowie. Yeah. It's still fucked though. I swear I had this fixed before. Can I do this as a game capture source? No, I can't. I can't do that, can I? I might be able to. I'll try it. I can't guarantee it's gonna work though. Capture innuendo, except YouTube Studio EXE. Transparency. Let me go ahead and grab the OBS thing real quick. Here, YouTube Studio, properties, the game capture source. Control C that. Close this out for now. I'll open it up in a minute. Rich integrated throwing system. Launch options. Change launch option. Command argument. Save. Like that. If it boots up, it's good. Okay, now it's playing. That's launched. I don't think that worked. I think like I need to like change something on this so it's not looking like shit. Right now the emotes are barely visible. I don't like that. I swear I had this fixed before. It might not be perfect, but it might have to work. What the hell? I got it. I got it. Okay, it's gonna be green. Okay? This is what we're gonna do. It's gonna be green. I feel stupid for not doing it like this. Alright, so we got that, right? And then I just change it to green. And then when I do this, oh shit, clicked on the wrong thing. When I do this, it's still fucked up. What the hell? Defaults, yes. So it's not transparent, which is actually good. Let's see here. Yo, I fixed it. All right, let's go. It's fucking green though. I'll live with it though. Yeah, I fixed it. It's done. It's done. I'm gonna lock this shit. We're locking it in. We're locking it in. I found the problem. The problem to the issue was the easiest solution ever. Okay, I spent long enough on that. I also feel like a dumbass for not initially doing that. Blade +5. I'll keep them both. It's like, what the hell? Alright, I fixed an issue. I don't know why I was initially making it more difficult than I needed it to be. I need to eventually re-add the make a throw option after a while though. It throws like 10,000 emotes at me. God. Yeah. I might have to call it for tonight though, because it is getting late. And I have to get up early in the morning. Yeah. I'll probably be playing Monster Hunter tomorrow. Thank you, Saint. Thank you. Yeah. Between Phantasy Star Online and Monster Hunter and FF14, probably the best experiences you can have online. Out of all three of those games, are probably the best, most healthy experiences you can have. Especially with Phantasy Star Online. This shit's amazing. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's a good trio. And the thing is, like, they're not even too far apart from each other. Like, FF14 is just as linear as Phantasy Star and Monster Hunter is, which is really cool. I like it. How do I wave? There we go. Alt H. Bye bye. Bye bye, everybody. Thank you for playing Phantasy Star Online. Goodbye, YouTube.